I love this exhibition. Seriously, I have so many thoughts. So many thoughts. Hello everyone. What is this hair? Hi guys. How is everyone? This is Natalka from Natalka Design coming to you from London, which is no longer summery. It's getting autumny and I am all for it. I have my coat and I'm cozy. And we're gonna see some art today. So are you ready to see some art with me? I'm heading towards Tate, one of my favorite places in London, Museum of Modern Art. My lovely friend inspired me to go. Basically, I'm heading to see one of the exhibitions. Okay, that was so loud. So the exhibition is of Anthony McCall at Tate, and apparently it's super immersive, and that's what I live for. It's like lights, it's shadows, it's tunnels, it's other realms and other universes. So that's where I'm at. That's what I want to see. So come with me. Let's see how it is. Let's see if we enjoy it, what we enjoy, and let's see some art. I'm super excited because, as I told you guys, I think you know now, I love immersive experiences and all sorts of art that I can kind of walk through and be in and feel and touch. And so this should be really fun. This should be really good because there's not many recently that I've seen that really stood out to me. So I'm excited. Let's go. Also, I had like 3 coffees today, so I hope this art relaxes me into this peaceful creature that I am. I know I am inside. I just need to manifest it. Of course, I'll be back here, of course, and of course I'm gonna get a book. I love shops like this. I could spend here all my life. I think I'm here. It's so easy to get lost here, it's crazy. I actually don't know where I'm going. I'm leaving. I'm the last one to leave. I was literally so mesmerized. I just sat there and it calmed me down so much. I have so many thoughts. I have to share them. It was wonderful. It was beautiful. But I have more to say. Guys, okay. This was so wonderful. This was so beautiful, so exceptional. Again, I know that I just love experiential art. The one that you go through, from one end to the other. And why do I love it? And it's not just me. You can see all these people I filmed, how they interact with it. People love experience, people love a story, people love to be part of something, and people love play. And you could see I even filmed a moment where people were like hanging themselves from the light and pretending they're part of the story, and that was the powerful actually moment. Everyone was saying, I was listening in, how actually being part of it, all those shadows were the actual main actor of this whole experience rather than the light itself, if that makes sense. So that's one thing, like just let people play, let people experience, let people do things. They want to do things and be part of it and just be childlike, because that's not something that we can do on a daily. We just need to be adults and behave certain way and watch what we say, watch what we do, and we lose that sort of playful, childlike part of us that it's so important as this whole thing, you know, continues through the journey. And that brings me to my other comment that I was really inspired by. I felt very peaceful. I felt very almost like without sounding too heavy, but kind of like going through a tunnel to a different life, to a different realm. You could totally say this is a bit of the end of life kind of light situation, almost story, but also the beginning. So you can interpret it in so many different ways, but I felt nothing but peace. I felt really calm there. I relaxed. I felt inspired. I love the changing, shifting of the light. And yeah, Anthony McCall, what a legend. Watched the video from 70s. I mean, love the, you know, bell trousers and all that. What a different vibe. Definitely my parents' time. But yeah, it was just very inspiring to see someone play with lights in such a wonderful, calm, intricate way. And in a way, the exhibition was so simple, but it doesn't mean creating it was simple. It just felt very minimal, very light, very peaceful. There was no music. I love that. And everyone calmed down as well. You can see how people behave in places like this. They naturally almost feed off each other's energy. Yeah, there were a few kids running around, of course, you know, squeaking, shouting, enjoying it as every child would, which I love. But the adults calmed down, which is really lovely to see. That sort of like everyone's heartbeat just went down. And again, this is what art does. It just creates emotions in you and experiences and makes you think about past and the future and reminds you of things and of memories and makes you nostalgic, makes you sad, makes you happy. Whatever the experience is, it's valid. So if you can come to Tate and experience it, or in any other city, please do. If you can't, then I hope that you loved what I captured there and enjoy the experience, and it got you inspired in any sort of way as much as I can from this screen to yours. But yeah, again, it's a little invitation of see art, experience art, and find art that you really love, because that is also wonderful to see. Like with time, the more art you see, the more you see kind of what you enjoy, what style you like, and also challenge yourself with the art that you kind of might think, that's not for me. But actually sometimes you go to these places and you're like, ooh, I felt something, I experienced something interesting. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on Anthony McCall at Tate. I was supposed to go to a shop after, of course, and buy some things, but they closed it already. Maybe that's better because I have enough books. But yeah, thank you so much for coming with me. This was lovely, something to do on a quite gloomy London day. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below what you thought. See, I'm like so peaceful now. I'm so peaceful. I can just continue my day. Enjoy and take care, and let me know what you thought. Bye.